I am about to embark on a remodel in my house. So half of my home is going to be in a construction zone. And after 20 years of homemaking, I know that you can't just go into this without planning. So what I plan to do is really dig down deep and declutter my house. And I thought this would be a perfect YouTube video to start this declutter remodel with you guys, so I can help anybody out there who feels overwhelmed by their house and who needs to get rid of some things. So I'm going to probably do 4 or 5 days of decluttering. So today I came up with 10 things that I'm going to declutter, and I'm going to tell you what they are now. So come along with me through my house as I declutter this house in preparation for a remodel, because you really want your house to be simplified when you have a construction zone going on. But even more than that, when I have my fresh new build, I want to be able to have a decluttered house and everything to be simple. So let's get started. All right, so number 1, I'm going to get rid of excessive spices and baking stuff. Like, for example, I went into my cabinet this morning and I was like, what's in here? I had found coconut flour. I don't use it. I don't like it. I found molasses. I don't use it. I mean, I might use it once a year or something, but I'm just going to get rid of it because I really haven't used it in months. I don't even know the last time I used molasses. And there's just more stuff like that. Excessive spices. There's some spices in there that aren't looking too hot. They look gross. And so I'm really going to simplify my spices and just have the most common spices right now, especially since I want to be very simple. And I'm going to be having a makeshift kitchen, so I'm going to not want to have 35 spices that I have now. Number 2, I'm going to get rid of some of my baking sheets and some of my casserole dishes. I just have too many. I've accumulated too many. I spent time thinking I didn't have enough, and I didn't have enough for a while, and then I overdid it, and now I have too much. So I'm really going to take a look at those and try to pick my favorite ones out and get rid of the rest. Number 3, I'm going to go through my clothes and get rid of things I don't wear. I just don't want them around. I want getting dressed to be very simple. So I only want to keep the items that I feel good in and that make me excited to get dressed. You know what I mean? Like sometimes you just have stuff in there you won't wear. So getting rid of clothes just has to be on the list today. Number 4, I'm going to get rid of any random toys laying around my house and any board games that are missing pieces. Like recently, I've been finding Connect 4 pieces all over my house, and I kept collecting them and trying to put them into the box, and I gave up today because I just can't find them all, and I lost the leg to the Connect 4, so they're all going to go, and that's just an example. So all the board games that are missing pieces and random toys that are laying around, things that my kids don't really use. Number 5, I'm going to get rid of some cookbooks I don't love, and I'm also going to get rid of some regular books. I always want to have like a bookshelf, a lot of books, because I like books, but sometimes they can get really cluttery. And I saw that I had a book called 1,000 Ways to Reward Employees, and I was like, this is a book I will never read, and no one in my house will ever read it. So it's going to go, and I'm going to fill a whole box with books. I think that's kind of a good way to declutter sometimes. Like you get a big box and you're like, I'm going to fill this with whatever, and you take it out. And it makes a big difference if you do that consistently. Number 6, I'm going to get rid of shoes that we aren't using or that are really worn out. I have 6 boys, so a lot of times their shoes just get holes or they get worn out or they're really just dirty. So I'm going to try to get rid of those. I'm going to try to get rid of any mismatched ones. Not mismatched shoes, mismatched socks that are not, that don't have a mate. And I have really been loving just the same white sock from Amazon, a cotton sock. I bought like 30 of them and I put them in my kids' rooms. And so it's really easy for them to get their socks together. So I'm going to do that for everyone else. Get rid of mismatch and simplify the socks. Number 7, I'm going to get rid of old notebooks, stationery, and any mail clutter in my drawers. Again, I'm just going to take a box and I'm going to go all through my house, and every drawer, nook and cranny that has paper laying around or mail or anything like that, I'm going to put it into a box. I'm going to sit at my table and I'm going to sort. I'm going to sort, keep, toss, and then, whatever else I need to do with it. So I'm going to get that paper clutter dealt with. And number 8, some knickknacks and decor is going to have to go if I don't love it. Sometimes We just have too much decor, and that can really make you feel cluttered. So a few items is much better. I'm just going to get rid of some stuff. I'm going to go around my house and like probably try to find maybe like 5 things that I can donate as far as decor. And number 9, anything in my fridge that is suspect or that doesn't have a lid or that might not be good, I'm starting fresh. So I really want to get stuff out of there that is not going to be eaten right away and that is not fresh, and start over with my fridge. So I want to clean that thing out completely, wipe it down, and only put back in things that are usable and that, you know, are not expired. And lastly, today I'm going to get rid of some old plates. Now this is tough because I have a hutch full of a bunch of plates, but if I'm going to be honest, the only plates I like to use are Casserole. Casserole plates are so easy with a large family because they're really easy to fit into the dishwasher. They're not clunky. They all fit into the slot. And that is something I think I want to invest in when I have a chance or I find a sale, is more Casserole. So I want to get rid of the clunky dishes and I want to get more Casserole and only keep my Casserole dishes. So, okay, this was 10 things that I'm going to declutter today. If you don't know me, my name is Jennifer. I am a Christian mom. I started this channel to help you live a transformed Christian life and being faithful in your everyday life and making every day count, because this is the day that the Lord has made. Let's be joyful and rejoice in it. Come on, and let's get our homes in order. You can do it. I hope that you get motivated from this video and that you can declutter, and put something down below that you're going to declutter from your house today. Be blessed in the name of Jesus.